Driving blind without your dashboard lights? Let's fix that today. First, check your dimmer switch. It might sound obvious, but sometimes it's just turned down too low. Next, look at the fuse box. Open the hood, find the fuse box, and locate the fuse for the dashboard lights. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. Still no luck? Inspect the wiring. Check for any loose or damaged wires behind the dashboard. Be sure to disconnect the battery before doing this. If you've tried all these steps and your dashboard lights are still out, it might be a problem with the light switch itself or the instrument cluster. In that case, you'll need a professional to take a look. So, remember these steps. Check the dimmer switch, inspect the fuse, and examine the wiring. Simple as that. Don't let a dark dashboard keep you in the dark. Now you're ready to hit the road with confidence. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy car fixes.